Want to know the secret weapon of millionaires? It's not just their day jobs, it's their side hustles. Hey there! Welcome to MoneyBrain, your go-to channel for mastering the money mindset and building wealth. Today, we're diving into the top side hustles to start on your journey to wealth. Proven ways to boost your income, grow your savings, and maybe even kickstart your own empire. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll share the one side hustle that's making people rich faster than ever before. First on the list is freelancing. If you've got skills, you can turn them into cash. Freelancing offers a flexible way to earn money by leveraging your talents. Are you good at writing, graphic design, web development, or even social media management? These are just a few examples of skills that are in high demand. Guess what? There's a massive market out there for you. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide, making it easier than ever to find work, allowing you to earn money from the comfort of your home. No more commuting, no more office politics, just you, your skills, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. And the best part? You're in control. You set your rates, you choose your clients, and you decide how much or how little you want to work. This level of autonomy is truly empowering. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Graham, I don't have any impressive skills. Listen, you don't need to be a coding whiz or a Photoshop guru to start. There are plenty of entry-level opportunities. Start with what you know. Identify your strengths and build from there. Are you good at writing? Offer proofreading or editing services. These are always in demand. Are you organized and detail-oriented? Become a virtual assistant. Many businesses need help with administrative tasks. My pro tip for you, start with what you know. Build a killer portfolio, showcasing your best work. And don't be afraid to gradually increase your rates as you gain experience and positive reviews. This will help you grow your freelancing career steadily. Next up, selling products online. This is where the real money is made, guys. The potential here is enormous and can be incredibly rewarding. We're talking about tapping into the massive world of e-commerce and building a business around products people love. The online marketplace is vast and full of opportunities. This could mean creating your own unique products or selling existing ones through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Each platform has its own audience and advantages. Got a passion for crafting? Sell handmade goods on Etsy? It's a great way to turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Prefer something more automated? Try dropshipping, selling products without ever handling inventory. This method can save you time and reduce overhead costs. You can find a product you're passionate about, create a brand around it, and market it to the world. Branding is key to standing out in a crowded market. And with e-commerce tools being so easy to use today, this side hustle can grow into a full-time business if you play your cards right. The right tools can streamline your operations and boost your sales. But here's the thing. It's not just about slapping a product online and hoping for the best. You need a solid strategy. You need to do your research, find a niche market, and create a brand that resonates with your target audience. Understanding your market is crucial for success. Treat your customers right, over-deliver on your promises, and watch your business thrive. Customer satisfaction can lead to repeat business and positive reviews. Now let's talk about a side hustle with massive potential real estate investing. This is not just any side hustle, it's one that can significantly change your financial future. I know what you're thinking. Graham, real estate, isn't that for rich people? Well, let me tell you, that's a common misconception. Listen, you don't need millions to get started. In fact, you can begin with a surprisingly small amount of money. Platforms like Fundrise or Roofstock allow you to invest in properties with as little as $500. These platforms democratize real estate investing, making it accessible to everyone. And the beauty of these platforms is that they handle all the hard work for you. They take care of the nitty-gritty details so you can focus on other things. They find the properties, they manage the tenants, and they distribute the profits. This means you can enjoy the benefits without the usual headaches of property management. All you have to do is sit back and watch your money grow. It's a truly passive way to build wealth. Alternatively, you can start smaller and rent out a spare room or an Airbnb for extra cash flow. This can be a great way to dip your toes into real estate. Real estate is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth, and starting as a side hustle makes it accessible even if you're new to the game. You don't need to be an expert to get started. It's a tangible asset that appreciates over time, generates passive income, and offers tax advantages. These benefits make it a smart choice for anyone looking to grow their wealth. Educate yourself, start small, and watch your real estate portfolio grow into a powerful wealth-building machine. The journey may start small, but the potential is enormous. Chapter 4, Content Creation. If you love sharing your thoughts or skills, content creation could be your golden ticket. And this isn't just about becoming the next YouTube star, although that's definitely possible. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even blogging, creating content allows you to monetize your audience through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you love talking about for hours on end? That's your niche. Find your voice, share your knowledge, and connect with an audience that resonates with your message. The key here is consistency and finding your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on a specific topic, become an expert in that area, and create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. The beauty of content creation is that it allows you to build a personal brand, connect with like-minded individuals, and potentially turn your passion into a full-time income. Chapter 5, Stock Market and Crypto Trading. Another popular side hustle is stock market and crypto trading. Now, before you click away thinking this is too risky or complicated, hear me out. This isn't just about luck. It's about learning the market, understanding risk management, and making informed decisions. Platforms like Robinhood or Coinbase make it easier than ever to start investing with small amounts. You can literally start with just a few dollars and gradually increase your investment as you gain more knowledge and experience. But here's the thing, stock market and crypto trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. Educate yourself on different investment strategies, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With time and knowledge, stock market and crypto trading can become a powerful wealth-building tool. Chapter 6, Teaching and Coaching. Finally, let's talk about teaching and coaching. If you have expertise in something, whether it's fitness, music, personal finance, or even dog grooming, you can turn it into a side hustle by offering classes online or in person. Think about it, what are you naturally good at? What do people always ask for your advice on? That's your superpower. Share your knowledge, mentor others, and get paid for it. Platforms like Skillshare or Teachable allow you to create courses that generate passive income over time. You create the course once, and it can continue to generate revenue for years to come. But it's not just about online courses. You can offer one-on-one coaching sessions, group workshops, or even corporate training. The demand for specialized knowledge is higher than ever, and people are willing to pay for personalized guidance. Start your side hustle journey today. So let's recap the top side hustles. Freelance your skills. Sell products online. Dive into real estate investing. Create engaging content. Try stock market or crypto trading. Share your expertise through teaching or coaching. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Which side hustle are you excited to start? Let me know in the comments.